Chapter 11. Simple Machines. Introduction to the chapter. Machine is a device or a tool that can be used to help to do work faster and more easily. A machine uses energy to make a force to do the work. Complicated machines use electricity or fuel to make energy. Simple machines use just your muscular energy. Different types of machines. There are two types of machines. 1. Complex machines. 2. Simple machines. Complex machines have two or more simple machines working together. Appliances such as electric iron, refrigerator and washing machine are complex machines. Simple machines have fewer parts and uses muscular force to function. They uses a single applied force, effort, to overcome a single force, load. Different types of simple machines. There are 6 types of simple machines. These are 1. Lever, 2. Pulley, 3. Inclined plane, 4. Screw, 5. Wedge, 6. Wheel and axle. Lever. A lever is a rigid rod or bar that can turn about a fixed point. A lever has 3 parts. Fulcrum, F, the fixed point around which the rod moves. Load, L, this is the object that needs to be moved or crushed. Effort, E, it is the force we apply on the load to do the job. Based on the positions of the fulcrum, load and the effort, levers have been classified into following 3 types. First-class lever. In a first-class lever, the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort. For example, seesaw, scissors, beam balance, pliers and hammers. Second-class lever. In a second-class lever, the load is in between the fulcrum and the effort. For example, nutcracker, bottle opener, wheelbarrow. Third-class lever. In a third-class lever, the effort is between the load and the fulcrum. For example, stapler, forceps and fishing rod. Pulley. A pulley consists of a wheel with a grooved run, with a rope, chain or belt running round it. One end of the rope is attached to the load. Force is applied at the other end by pulling it. Pulleys are of 2 types. Fixed pulley. In this, the wheel moves at one fixed place and is attached to a hook or wall. A fixed pulley changes the direction of the force. A fixed pulley is used to draw water from a well. Movable pulley. In this, the wheel also moves along with the load. This pulley is used to lift heavy objects. A movable pulley is used to lift heavy engine of vehicles. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping slanting surface which connects a lower level to higher level. It helps to push up or roll up objects on a lower or higher place. This simple machine does not reduce the amount of work but make it easier to do. Ramp, slanted road, path up a hill, etc. are examples of inclined plane. Screw. A screw is actually a curved slope or an inclined plane, which is wrapped around a cylinder or cone. A screw moves easily due to its spiral grooves. Screws are used to hold objects together. Some examples are light bulbs, stools, nuts and bolts. Wedge. A wedge is a modified inclined plane. It can be composed of one or two inclined planes placed together in the shape of V. A double wedge can be thought of as two inclined planes together with their sloping surfaces outward. Axe, blade, knife, etc. are the examples of wedges. Wheel and axle. An axle is the rod that goes through the wheel and lets the wheel to turn. Thus wheel and axle become a simple machine which make easy to move things from one place to another. Steering wheel, sewing machine, roller skates, etc. are examples of wheel and axle.